I was driving around this village, like exploring and wandering around, and stumbled upon to this beautiful lady who's cook that old-fashioned way with the logs, cooking rice. It's called nasi. Nasi. And here is what is this? Potato? Okay. Oh, she's got chilies, yeah? Chili, spicy. Oh. Okay. All sort of vegetables.
Yeah.
Beautiful. I love that sort of kitchen. It's I know it's dangerous, but it looks awesome. This is her sink, washing corner. Unfortunately, I can't communicate to her, but I'm glad she showed me. Okay, terima kasih. Terima kasih.
Ya, sama-sama.
And the waterfall is just around there. You see these orange trees. Never seen the teak wood in the nature. And here we go. Look at their color. Very expensive wood. Teak wood. Looks like this. Like orangey, gingery. Anyway, came to the waterfall and found out that there is a Japanese tunnel somewhere. So now walking around and looking for it. Japanese tunnel should be interesting. It's been since World War II. Don't know what Japanese soldiers were doing in that. But yeah, it's been dug out for war purposes. So wandering around looking for it. I think I found this Japanese tunnel, but the access is so dangerous here. Ugh. Missing boards and the nails are sticking out. Tudun. Goa, Japan. I think it means Japanese tunnel. I don't have a torchlight, only small flashlight of the phone. Fucking hell, cannot see nothing. Cannot see nothing. Oh fuck! Shit! There's bats flying. Oh fuck! Bats flying over my head. Oh, anyway, can't see nothing in there. I don't have a torchlight. But yeah, this is Japanese tunnel. It's been here since World War II. Okay, I'm not going deep inside. I'm not prepared for that. That's like a water stream heads this way, so it should be waterfall somewhere nearby, which I'm looking for. Listen to the sound. This is what you get walking through Indonesian woodland. I don't know who is making that sound. Either crickets or some strange insects, but they're doing like intermittently, you know, like they start from one corner, go around, and then stopped for 20 seconds maybe, and then look again. So funny. Whew. That's how we're dealing with the hot weather. And today I'm going and searching for another waterfall again. Look at that. What sort of bridges I have to cross. Okay. Managed to cross the valley in a safe manner. It's about 2 kilometers from the car, 3 kilometers from the car park, so I've done 1 kilometer already. Another 2 km walking through the, don't know what sort of forests, jungles, pathways, valleys. Slowly but steady, constantly ascending, and elevation of this point is 1.2 kilometers. Whew. This is a waterfall I've been looking for. Actually, I was expecting a bit bigger. That's why I went this pathway about another half kilometer onwards, but I couldn't find anything bigger than this. So this is it. My today's goal achieved again.